Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss how to restrict saving a purchase order without a lot number. To begin, open the configuration window and navigate to Other Settings. Enable the option Do not allow entry without lot number. This option ensures that a purchase order cannot be saved if the lot number is not defined. Once enabled, save the changes. Now initiate a new purchase order entry, enter the supplier name, and proceed to the Item Details section. Transact an item without defining the lot number and try to proceed. The software will restrict the action and display an error message stating, "Please enter the lot number." To complete the transaction, you will first need to enter the lot number, after which the purchase order can be saved successfully.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.